Magandang hapon po ng October 28, 2023 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng October 28, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, October 28, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 28, 2023, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 56 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 28 million pesos for Saturday, October 28, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for October 28, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.